Hey guys, what's up? So today is 5th of July and the stock which we are going to analyze is Hindalco Industries. So we have taken many trades in Hindalco. You can check out the playlist, and also in most of the videos it has hit a target, and Hindalco is my personal favorite stock for swing trade. So let's dive into today's analysis. So this is the daily time frame of Hindalco, and what we can see here is the stock was in a good uptrend and now it has retraced a bit. So to check whether it is a healthy retracement or a trend reversal, we apply the Fibo tool. So this is the Fibo tool and we apply from the last swing. So this swing we consider as the last swing, and to the highest point, if we connect, we can see that exactly at the 0.5 levels Hindalco retraced itself and now it is moving up. So this is the first point to consider, that Hindalco had made a healthy retracement and now it is moving up. So this is a good confirmation for us. Secondly, on the daily time frame, if we see here, the stock has made a iconic pattern, that is an inverted head and shoulder pattern. So if I draw like this is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. So today it has given a breakout of the inverted head and shoulder pattern, and guys, the feasibility of this head and shoulder pattern is high because it has been formed on the daily time frame, so the probability is quite good. And the volume of the breakout candle, as you can see guys, it is also quite good. So that is the second confirmation which we have. And now on the daily time, if on the daily time frame itself, if we draw a trend line like this and another trend line like this, so we can see that the stock has formed a falling wedge pattern, and the probability of falling wedge pattern is high that it will go up. So this is also the third confirmation which we are seeing, and we can see that it has rejected the upper trend line 4 times, and the below trend line it has taken support for approximately 3 to 4 times. So this is also a good confirmation which we are getting. And again, the volume of the breakout candle is the same, and which is quite good. So this is a third confirmation. And if we talk about the RR ratio and the targets and the stop loss, so guys, here we can do one thing, as I've mentioned in many of my videos, that the candle has given a breakout and it is a good green candle. So there is a probability that the stock can show a up move from here itself. So if you guys don't want to miss the opportunity, what you can do here is you can enter in this stock with half quantities, and then you can average it out if the stocks come down to touch its trend line. So basically, I personally follow the retest rule, that whenever the stock comes down to test the trend line, I enter that time and then I wait for my target and my stop loss. Because guys, what happens is, I'll just show you. If we take entry over here, and the stop loss which we have to keep, it will be here, and it will be a tight stop loss, because there's a chance that if the stock comes for a retest, then it might hit our stop loss as well. And if we see the target, it's like we are getting an RR ratio of 1:1.83, and that's, I would say, not a good RR ratio for a swing trade. And just imagine if the stock comes down to retest the trend line, and if we can get the stock around 380 levels, our stop loss would be so small. And if you want, we can keep a stop loss of this level as well, so that will be a good strategical stop loss. And the target also, the first target, if we see, we can keep of this level, that's 405, because here there is a resistance. And the second target, that's the all-time high, that is 426. So if we wait for the second target. We are aiming for a RR ratio of 1:3, and that's a brilliant RR ratio, I feel. But guys, you have to keep in watch this zone, because this zone is a resistance zone for Hindalco. That's around 405 to 403 levels. So here you have to be a bit cautious, because there's a probability that the stock comes down here to retest and then goes up and face this resistance and come down. So what I think my plan is, if the stock directly goes here up, I won't take the entry over here. I'll wait for Hindalco to face a resistance at this level, come down, and then I'll buy Hindalco here, so that my stop loss is also quite small and the RR ratio is good. So this is how we place strategical stop loss, and this is how we entry, guys. So this was my analysis on Hindalco, guys, and this is my plan, guys. If you want to take entry in Hindalco, please do your own due diligence and analysis. And guys, this is only my learning which I'm sharing with you guys, and I'm not providing you with any calls or any tips. So I hope you have learned something from the video and giving back you the confirmations. On the daily time frame, we can see that Hindalco has taken support on the FIBO 0.5 levels. That's a healthy retracement level. On the daily time frame, it has formed an inverted head and shoulder pattern, and it has given breakout of the same. The volume of the breakout candle is also good, and the third confirmation we are getting is it has given a breakout of the falling wedge pattern as well. So this was it, guys. This was my analysis on Hindalco. I hope you have learned something from this video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload a video, guys. Thank you so much.